Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app, that is a duplicate file remover or delete. So what you have to do, if you have to write here duplicate file remover, then you will get on the top a very fantastic app, that is duplicate file remover. Okay, I already installed this and it's newly updated at last time 7 February. So we are going to check the work. I do not want to waste your time. So you can scan your duplicate audios, you can scan your duplicate videos, and scan duplicate or documents. And if you want to scan all files, so you can scan all files. So I am going to scan duplicate documents. Okay, advertising is coming. What we can do, oh, how she's young. Okay, so scanning is going. Let's wait a while. If you have any documents in your WhatsApp, in your whatever, overall the you are in your mobile, so you can remove this easily. It is very fantastic. Let it be in open. It's taking time because I did the very much having very much documents duplicates, so it will open. Let wait. Still it's being open. You like and subscribe my channel. So it had been opening the duplicates files. So these are the duplicates file. You can see automatically these are the selected. So what I will do, I will do 7 duplicate files I got, so I will do the delete now. Okay, so it will be delete. You can delete your duplicate pictures, whatever you want to delete you can delete. Okay guys, so do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and much support to me. I need your support. So again advertisement is coming on this app. We can remove this from here. Okay, let's see. I think so my, yeah, 7 file remove. Okay, so you can enjoy this. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.